G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And I've got here for you today the Wurth hand soap dispensing units. Now I've got two here. I've got the automatic one. Now this one is battery operated. The second one I have is the fully manual unit. Now they're made of robust plastic, they're nice and sleek in design, and they're very easy to keep clean. Now of course if you have these units, you need the product to go in them. So we've got the Wurth hand soap, liquid hand soap. So this is very gentle on your hands and it's perfect for light soiling in the office and the workshop. And then we have the Wurth skin protection cream. Now this is a vitamin E cream, but it's also a barrier cream to continue to protect your hands against other chemicals. Now so you know what soap you've got in what dispenser, you can simply peel off the little sticker on the bottom. And there's a panel here where you can put it on. Now, to fit the product into the dispenser, we have a little key here and we just open it up. Now we remove the cap, place the product in and close it. And then to dispense, with just a few pushes. With the automatic one, you just wave your hand underneath and it will dispense automatically. In this month's specials at Wurth, we've created a couple of packs. We've got our auto dispensing pack and a manual dispensing pack. So in the auto pack, you get 2 auto dispensers, 1 liquid hand soap, 1 lotion, and 12 of the antibacterial hand sanitizers. In the manual pack, it's exactly the same. You just get 2 manual units. And for the next 24 hours, I'm going to throw on this free Wurth coffee mug. Now all you've got to do is go to the Wurth app or eShop. Select which one of the packs you want, the automatic one or the manual. Go to the checkout and type in "G'day coffee mug" and we'll send you the pack and the free travel mug. Now if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And these packs are ready for work.